So today I'm going to show you how we make our whipped foaming soap sugar scrub. So we're going to add in some of our foaming soap. Now I'm going to add in some of our shea butter. This is the shea butter that we make and sell. You can find it on our website at www.touchedbydiversity.com. I will leave a link in the bio if you would like to purchase that. There is another video that goes into detail on how we also make that as well. So I just added a little bit of color to help get it to that rosy color that we're looking for. I did add some extra oils off camera. I added some humectant and a couple of other things to the mix as well. So I'm adding a preservative right now. The reason why I add a preservative is because this is a sugar scrub, and more than likely it is going to come in contact with water, and we don't want any mold or bacteria, so I do use a broad spectrum preservative. So I am going to add just a little bit more oil to the mix. So now we're going to add some sugar, and I do use 3 different types of sugar. 2 of the 3 I do blend, and then 1 of the sugars I use as is. Like I said before, we use an all natural organic preservative, and we also use natural organic sugar. Even the preservative that we use is a natural organic preservative as well. The color that we use to dye the sugar scrub is a natural, safe for the skin colorant. It also doesn't stain the skin or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't stain your tub or your sinks or anything like that. So we're going to add a little bit more color and more sugar and twirl it up. Here we are using a piping bag and a tip to pipe it into the container. Look at how creamy and smooth that texture is. You're gonna love this product. You should definitely go to my website and buy it. This is the finished result. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel.